YouTube, man. What's up with y'all, boy? Man, as y'all can see, we back with another video, man. Finna do this little POV drive. And give y'all boys a little warm start. So I'm calm, man. So I'm finna do this little POV drive. I'm gonna have two POVs going at one time. I'm gonna have the outside and I'm finna throw these little mics back here somewhere. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all boy when we on the road. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna be like a little chill, quick video, nothing too crazy. Yeah, a little pool. So yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, I miss doing POVs. They be chill, but it just like, I need to hear them get a phone mount for my head. So I can just put my camera like right here and I can use both my hands at the same time. Them be them tough POVs. One hand POVs be straight, but it's just like, I can't, damn, I ain't got no paddles, bro. So when I wanna do a downshift, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see though. Cause y'all gotta hear that downshift with the mic on. It just sound crazy. So right now, we finna go to QT. We finna meet up at QT. My homeboy finna take a few pictures. If y'all don't know, man, this is Instagram right here. Finna take a few pictures. Well, I think he got a Camaro. It's one of the elite orange Camaro. Finna take his pictures right quick before we go to the gym. But on the way there, I'm just gonna give y'all raw sound clips, pulls, downshifts, all that. So I'm gonna start talking to let, you know what I'm saying? Raw sound. And I don't know if I should let my window down or not. I see some people be having their window down. Look, calm day. I had to hear it before it got too dark, though. I ain't want it to get dark, man. Cause we gotta go to the gym at nighttime anyway. Got a little downshift on this. Let me get on this little road first, man. This POV ain't too bad. I got the little tripod, but I'm so sick of my windshield, bro. I can't believe I cracked my windshield at the top right here. It just looks so crazy. Front wheel drive, man. I hate front wheel drive. I think if I hold the camera with this hand, I can sneak a downshift or two in. So hold on, let me make this left turn first. I probably should have got on the highway, but I ain't want to. I definitely want to Mac on the highway. I'd rather Mac on the back road, but I ain't gonna Mac. I'm a natural nigga. Oh, sound like I heard a little pop. I ain't like a lot of people telling me to get a pop tune, bro, but it's just like, if I do get a pop tune, it's either gonna be a gunshot tune or it's gonna be a little calm burble. I don't like all that obnoxious every day. I'm gonna get tired of it, bro. I know me. All right, here we go, bro. Hold on. Give it to about 40. Slap that junk in manual. Something bagging out right there. All right, here we go, dashing. Really a Tesla, man. It be a police up here hiding by this little steakhouse. If y'all boy ever driving on the road, see this back road dark, bro. I knew I should have got on the highway. But if y'all ever driving on the back road and y'all coming around that corner by the steakhouse, bro, y'all know what I'm talking about. Don't speed right there. He behind other cars. He think he's slick. He not slick, bro. Police childish if you think about it. You niggas be hiding. Like, why y'all playing how to go seek for a ticket, bro? think I got one of the best sounding V6s out there, though. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, I can turn this on right here. Oh, here I'm on the wrong side of the road. That's a little comp. I gotta redo my aim. I think every time I do a pull, I'm just gonna have my 360 POV in the top left corner of this video. But all my devices low, nigga. My other phone right here just got the mics on the low. I just charged my mics up. My 360 on 50%, and this phone in my hand on 20%, bruh. It's really just a little video I just threw together right quick. But I hope it do straight though, cause I be seeing a lot of people be doing POVs. If y'all messing with it, I'm gonna record some more. Smell good out here. See how these cars, he be back there just hiding behind somebody else. You come through speeding, he pop out of nowhere. Man, your lights on bright. Bro, listen, bro. I know I ain't supposed to be talking, but listen, bro. Y'all gotta hear this right here. Can y'all boy believe I got a ticket for having my lights on bright for like 0.2 seconds? The police came back and got me. Then I had a warrant, I ain't gonna lie. Man, he arrested my ass. That was so crazy. Like, he got so lucky. He was being petty. But I got out the same night. Bro, I don't know what I was thinking. I should have got on the highway. The highway more boring, I feel like, when there ain't no traffic. But it's just because I ain't got two hands on the wheel. That's why. I just feel like that. The downshift from 60, bro. Let me show y'all. Downshift from 60 sounds so good. Hopefully this light right here turn red and I'm the only one right there so I can get out lit. Little baby stab. Perfect, bro. Look at me. I'm so sidekick. I'm so sidekick. Bro, am I the only one, like, when y'all be in a city that y'all not from, bro, and y'all following y'all homeboy, and y'all don't know where y'all going, y'all ain't got no GPS. Do y'all run all the red lights too, or is that just me? Cause I can't stop at no red light, and he way down there, and I don't know where I'm at. Oh. Make sure we hooking, man. So listen, bro. I supposed to be, you know what I'm saying? When I get to the next city I'm finna move to, I'm supposed to be, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about swapping this. I'm thinking about swapping the Lex, bro. And I know what y'all gonna say. Bro, that's impossible. Bro, your drivetrain, you got front wheel drive, and you got a Lexus. It could be more work than just buy a V8, just buy something else. But bro, y'all don't understand. Like, if I put an LS in here, this already gonna be a one-on-one build. If I put an LS in here, then if I get everything to work, like the drivetrain and all that, like anything possible with the right amount of money. Ain't nothing impossible. But feel me, like I feel like if I can actually get that to work, bro, I have some crazy. Then my car on like 3,500 pounds. I do a little rate reduction. My car end up being like 3,200 pounds. 3,200 pounds with like 500-600 horsepower. I'm gonna be straight. I'm gonna have the best daily ever. Basically, I want to have everything from a Corvette in here, but just have the Lexus on the outside. And I know that's gonna be crazy. The drivetrain gonna be the worst part. Then the body work. But that, like, bro, these tough mechanics out here be swapping Hellcats into 350Zs, and they putting 2JZs in Hellcats. Bro, anything possible with the right amount of money. I ain't gonna lie. So I'm probably gonna try. I'm probably gonna try it, but I ain't gonna lie. Now, if I always just feel like if I can't find no mechanic, like nobody want to take my offer, then I probably just buy a V8 and retire the licks. Usually there's a little daily, but I doubt it though. Somebody somewhere gonna have it, bro. See, Byron, bro, they think they, you know what I'm saying? They think they GSP out here, so gotta be careful with my pools. None of my pools need to be over 40 miles per hour. When can you get a disturbing the peace ticket? Is that a ticket? Disturbing the peace? Public nuisance? Are they real? Turn. Ooh. I really ain't yield, but you know what I'm saying. I gotta look at every cop before I do this, bro, cause one of these might be a police. I'm telling y'all, Byron police. They will box you in, beat you on top of your head, and shoot you. Look at him. Ooh, you a bold man. They will box you in, beat you up, shoot you, and then tell you to don't move and don't struggle. Why the truck hitting the gas, bro? I gotta get over. Full moon tonight, man. Bro, catch. I'm not even stabbing the gas that hard. I don't know why my tire's spinning. But I ain't gonna lie though. I could potentially squeeze 500 horsepower out this motor if I build it all the way, but that's a lot of money in the V6, bro. Just to be going 500 horsepower, not slow. I don't know why people think that. I'm gonna let you go first, cause I don't know why you over there. You know that lane in, but I don't know why. I don't know, bro. Some people build their V6s. They be putting 10, 15,000 in the V6, and you barely pushing scat power, stock scat power. Bro, as soon as I cut the camera off, here come Ace. This man so obnoxious, bro. Niggas cut their cats off, don't know how to act. Just loud. What's up, bro? I thought that was you right there. This you right there? Yeah. I thought that was you. I didn't know you stay out here?
I mean, I'm heading to Brandon right now. That's where you're heading, but I come to Crystal Springs.
Oh, you stay in Crystal Springs? Yeah. Oh, I didn't know that. Yes, bro. Man, get his cats cut off, don't know how to act.
No, I just got back from the balloon release.
Where you came from?
The balloon release for KJ.
Oh, yeah. We just finna go to the gym, but my other homeboy finna take some pictures for somebody here.
Okay. I mean, yeah, they're doing it for me in Brandon.
We're going to see how much it costs to fill up a SS.
No, I just put 30 in it.
Oh, you only put 30?
Yeah, it was like all the way in. It's like 60 to fill up.
Damn. If y'all don't remember from last video, he got dumps. Got high flow cats. Y'all finna hear it. I just bust an eardrum. Ah. I don't even gotta zoom in. Y'all can still, y'all still hear it, bro. Yeah, man, you know, man.